In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start eBay dropshipping business today, and tomorrow you will start getting sales if you apply the exact steps that I'm about to mention in this video. Now first, let me explain to you guys what is eBay dropshipping. Like, I am going to show you guys every single thing, like I said, including the mistakes that you should never do if you are starting this business. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can find profitable products to list on your eBay store. Also, how you can find the best supplier that has worked for me, that I am using since I started this eBay dropshipping business. Now first, let me explain to you guys what is eBay dropshipping. eBay dropshipping, it's a simple business that everyone can do. Like, for example, you go to Amazon or Walmart or any other e-commerce supplier, you find a random product there, and what you do in that moment, you just download the pictures from the product, you copy the title, you copy the description, and what you do next, you go to eBay, you click sell in the top right, and then you paste the title, you then upload the pictures that you have downloaded from the supplier, and then you paste the description. So what happens then when you list that item on your eBay? If someone buys it from you, if the product is sold, like if someone buys it, you then go to Amazon. First, you copy the address of the customer that has purchased the item from you. You then go to Amazon and you click on buy now, or Amazon, like I said, or any e-commerce website. It could be Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot, like any e-commerce website. Click on buy now and start buying the product. Instead of sending the product to yourself, like instead of putting your address there, you put the address of the customer that has purchased the item from you on eBay. I hope it makes sense. If you don't understand, I will explain to you guys this in a better way. Now first, let me show you guys what you need to do to start this business. First, you have to know what supplier you should use to start dropshipping on eBay. Like, some people use AliExpress, some people use Amazon, some people use Walmart. Now, if you are wondering what is the best supplier, I am going to say AliExpress, because on AliExpress you can make a lot of money doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. The reason for that is there aren't a lot of competitors compared to Amazon, because everyone knows that you can just start doing Amazon dropshipping. Like, you can just start doing eBay dropshipping using Amazon, and a lot of people do the same thing and just compete with the prices, so the profit margin is going to be a little bit lower compared to AliExpress. So I suggest guys to use AliExpress. It's the best, it's simple, it's literally the best e-commerce website to start dropshipping on eBay. Now, a lot of people will say that dropshipping is not allowed on eBay. Trust me if I tell you that I have been doing dropshipping on eBay for 3 years. It's my first successful business ever, and I started doing eBay dropshipping when I first started knowing what is make money online videos. Like, I started to watch videos about how to make money online, and I started to do eBay dropshipping for 3 years, and this is what worked for me. And I have been using AliExpress for 3 years and no problem at all. So if you want to start this business, guys, the first thing you need to know is you want to create an AliExpress account. Just click on, just search for AliExpress, and after that you want to create your account. AliExpress is the same as Amazon and other suppliers. It's not something complicated. Now you want to create your account on AliExpress. Now after you create your account, it's very easy and simple. You can just use your Facebook or Google to sign up for a new AliExpress account. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to find a product. It could be any product, like, it doesn't matter what product, any product. The reason why I told you guys to find a random product on AliExpress is we want to find our competitors on eBay so that we can copy them. Yes, you heard it right. All I do, guys, is copying people. Like, I just see what works for other people, and I do the exact same thing. Okay, now I'm going to find a random product on AliExpress. As you can see, this product, and I am going to search for it on eBay. So I'm going to copy the exact title here, as you can see, and I'm going to go to eBay and I'm going to search for this product if it's selling on eBay, because even if it has a lot of sales on AliExpress, it doesn't matter because it's proven to work on AliExpress, not eBay. We want to find items that are selling on eBay. Okay, we want to find items that people are interested in on eBay, not AliExpress. Now, after you search for the title, you want to find our competitors. Okay, now select Asia so that you can only see Chinese products. Okay, now as you can see, we couldn't find any product here, and yeah, let's just see this one. Okay, even if it's not the same, we just want to see if this person is a dropshipper or not. Now the item location is China. Okay, that's what we want, because on AliExpress all items are from China. Okay, now this is not something that is complicated, it's very easy. I'm going to explain to you guys how this works in a few seconds. Now as you can see, the item location must be China, and you want to go to their store and see where they live. If they live in China, don't compete with them, because these people have the items in stock and they can just make the price a little bit lower, so you can't really compete with these people. Click on about, and as you can see, the location of the store is China, so you can't really compete with this person. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to find other products, and again do the same thing. You just want to find other products from AliExpress and search for them on eBay. I'm going to search, for example, for this one. I'm going to do that right now. Now the reason why I do this, guys, is to find suppliers that are doing dropshipping. Okay, now I'm going to find someone. I'm sorry, we want to find sellers that are doing dropshipping. Now as you can see, let's find someone who is doing dropshipping, for example. Okay, like if someone has more than 1000 feedback, don't click on that item, because this guy is not, like, that guy is not a dropshipper. Okay, only click on stores that have less than 1000 feedback. Okay, I'm going to search for other products so that we can find our competitors on eBay, so that we can copy them. Okay, now I'm going to reload the AliExpress so that I can find another product here. Just go with yeah, let's go with this one, for example. I'm going to copy the title. Now this is the only hard part about eBay dropshipping. It's not like when finding product, it's going to take you a little bit of time. It's not going to be just, you know, it's not going to be easy. So for example, this one has 100 feedback and the item location is China, so this guy is getting the items from China, but we want to make sure we want to make sure the store location is somewhere else, not China. Click on the store and click on about. Yeah, this guy is from South Korea, so this guy is a dropshipper 100%. What you need to do in this case, you want to click on shop, and this guy is only selling, like, he only listed 2 products. Okay, so this guy is not let's just click on sold items so that eBay will show us only sold items. As you can see, this item was sold. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on the title. You want to search for this title. Okay, you want to search for it, and for example, this is AliExpress. Click on AliExpress, and this is the exact same product. Okay, it's the same. Now what you need to do, guys, in this case, let me change the currency to dollars. Right now I'm going to use that. Save, and yeah, now as you can see, the price of the item is $1 and he is selling it for $6. Now what you need to do, guys, after you find the exact product, you want to then list this product on your eBay store. Now only list items that has at least 3 sales. This one has 15 items. Okay, you want to search for this exact product and list it on your eBay. Now if you don't know guys how to list, you just want to find on, you just want to search on YouTube this. Okay, it's like just search for how to list an item on eBay from AliExpress, and you will find a lot of videos that will show you how you can do that. Just click on this exact video. This is a tutorial like listing product from AliExpress to eBay. Now if someone buys the product from you, then you go to AliExpress, you scroll down, you click on buy now. Instead of putting the address of the person, like instead of putting your address, you put the address of the guy that has purchased the item from you on eBay. Now I hope guys you understand me. My English is not the best, I am still trying to learn it. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe, and make sure you watch the video in the screen. It will explain to you guys more about eBay dropshipping from AliExpress. Okay, you must watch this video, because really I didn't complete the whole video. You just wanna click on the video on the screen and you will learn more. See you guys next video.